Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to change your profile on TikTok. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to open your TikTok app and then go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. Once you're in your profile, you just simply click on your profile picture right here, or if you don't have a profile picture yet, you may also click on this default profile picture. So click on it, and then right here you may see the edit button or the pencil button right here. So carefully click on the pencil or the edit button right here, and then it will redirect you into your camera roll. And right here, you may choose your favorite photo. So for example, I will choose this one and then click on save on the lower right corner. Wait for it to load, and then as you can see, it has now been saved. So that's it. That's how you can change your profile picture on TikTok.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.